WhatsApp has just launched a new feature called Channels to compete with Telegram. And in this video, I'm going to tell you all about WhatsApp channels, and I will also show you how to use WhatsApp channels. So make sure you watch the video till the end. What's going on, people? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about WhatsApp channels and I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp channels. But before we dive into the video, make sure to hit the like button to show your support to the channel, and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's get started. So first of all, let's learn what are WhatsApp channels. WhatsApp channels are basically a simple, reliable, and a private way of receiving information from people and organizations that you care about, and you can do all of this within WhatsApp. And from an admin perspective, WhatsApp channels are basically a one-way broadcast tool for the admin to be able to share information and content with their followers. One of the good thing about WhatsApp channels is it's totally private. So as an admin, none of your followers will be able to see your contact details, and as a follower, no one would be able to see your contact details as well. So it's totally private, which is a really good thing. Now that you know a bit more about WhatsApp channels, let me show you how to use WhatsApp channels. For this demonstration purposes, I'm going to use WhatsApp on my desktop. But you can also do the same things on your mobile phone as well. So in order to use the channels, you can see that there is a new icon here for channels. But if you try to do this on your phone, you should have a new tab called updates. So in this new tab, Meta has added the status and the channels together. So let's go to channels. Now you can see that I've already followed a bunch of channels here. But if you are new here, then you won't see any in this list, but you should be able to see this section down here. So simply click on see all and you can start typing the names here. For example, if I want to follow the BBC channel, I'll look for BBC channel and simply click on the plus icon here. And once I've followed the channel, it should show up on my followed channels list here. And if you want to unfollow the channel again, click on the channel. You can either go here and you can click on unfollow, click on unfollow again, or you can go in here and you can click on the channel name and then you can click on unfollow here. Now, instead of clicking on see all and then searching for a channel, you can also click on the plus icon here and then find a channel. That will bring you to the same page as well. Now let me show you how to create your own channel. And I'm going to create my official channel on WhatsApp here. So make sure you follow my channel on WhatsApp. So click on create channel. Click on continue. I'm just gonna put my channel's name. Click on create channel and there you go. That's really simple. Now if you want to customize your channel, you can click on your channel, click on your channel's name, and then you can add an icon from here. You can simply click on here, go to download and find the right image. I'm just going to use any image for now just to show. Click on done and then you can see it has set my image. Now you can change your channel settings from here. And you can also share the link to your channel with people as well. So simply copy your link here and then you can paste it wherever you need to. So yeah, it's really easy to create channels and use channels on WhatsApp. If you want me to create a video on how to use WhatsApp channels on mobile phone, then do let me know in the comment section below. But I hope you found this video useful. Hope you found this video useful. Now I've done my part and I've shared the information. Now it's your turn to do your part and like the video and share the video as much as you can. And subscribe the channel for more videos like this. And if you want to request any specific topic, then make sure you fill up the form in the description or just comment down below. I appreciate you and I hope you have an amazing day.